On a nice summer day, the mini pet pals went outdoor along the river to play ball and spend some time together. At some point they felt really hungry and decided to make fishing rods out of bamboo canes. Kitten Ollie started fishing, and after a little she thought she had caught something, but it was just an old boot. Then Diva started fishing, and all she could catch was a plastic bottle. Sadly, the mini pet pals then noticed some people throwing in the river all sorts of trash. So they came to the conclusion that nature always returns what man throws away.